My name is Stefan Asumu, owner of Hub Renovations, licensed general contractor serving the New York tri-state area. I moved to New York about 7 years ago to start a family business with my brother. We were investors and we started purchasing properties. We started out with one house, and over the course of about 1 year, 2 years, we probably had about 10 to 12 houses that we were renovating for ourselves. And we realized in renovating for ourselves, we ran into a lot of problems renovation-wise. General contractors were leaving the job. Plumbers were telling us they were filing different things with DOB, but they weren't, and we were running into a lot of issues. So I decided to get my own contracting license and get more involved on the renovation side with the experience that I was getting. And 7, 8 years later, I have a general contractor's license, and we worked on over 100 different properties that we renovated. And now we're willing to do that for other clients who are also having problems with their contractors and electricians and plumbers. And I think the fact that we were investors first, we understand what the customer wants and the different challenges that we see in the market. So that's our competitive advantage in terms of being able to deliver a product that somebody will be proud of and happy to call their home. With the experience that we had, it was very frustrating dealing with the third-party contractors and electricians and plumbers. And at the end, we were kind of disappointed with some of the results that we got. And the biggest roadblocks that we encountered is a lot of dishonesty in the market. A lot of contractors and electricians and plumbers would tell us that they had filed different plans or they were working on something, and months would go by, and then once we actually learned and figured out how we could check for ourselves, we found out that they actually weren't doing any work at all and they were just wasting our time and money. When you're picking a general contractor, a lot of people like to go with the cheapest option, but in the long run, it's going to end up costing you. What you really want to kind of look for is somebody that you can trust and their goals are aligned with yours. You want to work with somebody who you can verify their work, see their past track records. You could possibly talk to clients that they had previously before and make sure that they're not actually learning how to work on your job, and they actually have previous experience in how to getting certain things done. If it's a situation where you hired a previous contractor and it didn't work out for a lot of different reasons, first thing we would want to come in and come up with a plan on how we can execute from where you are currently in the job to get you to the end, for you to have a house that you're comfortable with and you're happy to show your friends and everything. So we come up with a plan, we see where the issues were before, we come up with a plan to see how we can solve them, and we see if that plan works for both of us, and we can move forward and execute that plan to get the product that you're looking for. There's a million different problems that you can encounter on a renovation job, from dealing with DOB, dealing with Con Edison in terms of gas, dealing with electricians. There's a lot of different roadblocks, and the fact that we renovated over 100 properties, we've encountered a lot of those, and we have experience with working on those. We can do all different types of sizes of jobs. We specialize in 1 to 4 families. We can do gut renovations where we can do complete electrical, plumbing, install new HVAC units or mini splits. On the smaller jobs, in terms of a bathroom or a kitchen renovation, we would be able to do that. We're able to do more complex renovations. Say you have structural issues in terms of installing a beam or underpinning your house because you want to dig your basement, or you're having a problem with the roof where you need a new roof, or you're looking for something temporary where we can patch and have it not leaking for the time period. We can handle a lot of various different jobs. We can also do exterior work with the facade, brownstone restoration. A lot of the properties when we started that out, we bought a lot of distressed properties with a lot of different problems and issues. Anything related from dealing with gas, or there was a legal basement, or different situations like that. So we have somebody at our office that's dealt with your situation before and knows the best solution to get it done and get it worked out. The advantage of using Hub Renovation is you're getting a contractor that's used to be an investor, used to renovate his own properties, and knows the challenges of dealing with a contractor who's dishonest, not telling you the right information, and possibly leaving the job. Hub Consulting, we're a one-stop shop where we do a lot of different things in real estate. We're not just one contractor that might walk off and doesn't care about their reputation. We care about our reputation. We have an office. You can come check us out anytime. And we have people who works in different parts of real estate in terms of if you need your house sold, if you need rental properties after we finish, if you need to rent your apartment out after we're done renovating, or if you're having problems with renovations or anything like that, you can always stop by our office and we'll be here to be able to help you as much as we can. Being able to deliver a house that a client is proud of gives me satisfaction, and knowing that they didn't have to go through all the problems that we went through to learn to figure out how to get these houses renovated, dealing with DOB and other challenges that might come. My name is Stefan Asumu, owner of Hub Renovations. Contact us for any of your renovation or real estate needs. We're ready to serve you.